Hello and welcome back. Today I will share with you how I make my easy American buttercream frosting. So sit back and let's begin. So for this recipe I will be using 500 grams of icing sugar and 250 grams of softened butter. It doesn't matter what butter you use, salted or unsalted. I usually switch between both, but for this recipe I am using unsalted butter. So the first step is to beat the butter till it's nice and fluffy, and then sieve in the icing sugar, not all at once. I usually divide my icing sugar into half. If I have a 500 grams of sugar, I sift in the first 250 grams and beat the butter and the sugar together, and then sift in the rest, just so I can manage the cloud of powder of icing sugar that might tend to blow up in the hair when mixing. It's really simple. I find this buttercream the simplest and easiest buttercream. There are different kinds of buttercream. Now I am sifting in the rest of the icing sugar and it's just giving it another quick mix until it's well blended and combined. I want to quickly say a big thank you to all those who have subscribed to me lately and those who have been sticking around from the beginning. I'm grateful. Thank you so much. And after this, I will add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can make it 2 if you want it a bit stronger. And then I will add 1 tablespoonful of double cream or heavy cream. You can use milk instead. And just mix it all together until it's nice and fluffy and smooth. And that's all you have to do. Your buttercream is ready. And you can go ahead and color the buttercream with whatever food coloring you want to decorate your cake. So thank you for watching. I hope you stick around for more recipes, and please remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So till next time, I'll see you and bye for now.